I ran an experiment that changed how I think about Pinterest forever. I took the exact same blog post and created two different pins for it. I posted them on the same day, at the same time, to the same board. The result? Pin A got 47 clicks. Pin B got 512 clicks. That's 10 times more traffic for the exact same content. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why. Let's look at Pin A first. It was pretty. I spent an hour designing it in Canva. Soft colors, elegant font, a beautiful stock photo. The title said Home Office Ideas. Clean, simple, professional, and completely forgettable. People scrolled right past it because it looked like every other home office pin on the platform. Now let's look at Pin B. I threw this together in 10 minutes on my phone. The photo was grainy, literally just a picture of my actual messy desk. I added a bright yellow text overlay that said my tiny home office actually works. And here's the kicker. I used a question in the description. Struggling to stay productive in a small space? Here's my setup. So why did Pin B win by so much? 3 reasons. Reason 1. Authenticity. The grainy photo of my real desk felt human. People are tired of stock photos. They want to see real people in real spaces. Reason 2. Curiosity gap. My tiny home office actually works makes you wonder how? What's different about it? You have to click to find out. Reason 3. Emotional connection. The question in my description, struggling to stay productive, directly spoke to the pain point of my audience. It said, I see you. I've been there. Let me help. Pin A was pretty but empty. Pin B was messy but meaningful. And meaning gets clicks every single time. The next time you create a pin, ask yourself, would I stop scrolling for this? If the answer is no, start over. Your 10th click is waiting for the real you.